Okay, I thought I would show you what I've been doing with the mulch. Don't mind all this because I've been working. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. Okay, I'm going to turn you around. So this is to the right of my greenhouse. Right here, I will put tomatoes. My rain barrel. Anybody got any ideas as to what I could do to cover that? Besides paint, because the paint keeps chipping off. Anyway, over here there's some garlic that managed to not get picked and it's peeping up, but most of that's weeds and creeping thyme. In here I will fence in and have peppers. Let's go this way. Comfrey. That was just a pallet from the shop I lugged out here. Here I've got asparagus, but I don't see any of it coming up yet. So I don't know if that's a bad sign or what, but yeah. I'll hang some nice flowers down there, and I've got some beautiful dahlias in here and nasturtiums planted here. And this has strawberries in it, but I see it needs to be weeded badly. Back there, a couple of piles of rhubarb. And there, I usually put beans and scarlet runner beans. And this is the back of the greenhouse. Just a little dinky spot for sitting and hanging out in the shade. Tim lugged me home some Pro Mix yesterday, which I appreciate. These are all new this year. They were from the horse fence. And we don't have any horses, so no need to have the fence. So I wanted the garden boxes more than we wanted the fence. Here, there's a Shasta daisy in here, and I plant some more flowers, but I need to weed it and then give it a fresh mulch. Here, I'm going to plant some lettuces and spinach and things. Oh, yes. Along here and over here, I want to plant what I got is Malabar spinach, which will grow up. Apparently, it grows like a vine and closes things in. Oh, and there's my climbing roses. I got one on the other side too. This is all fresh mulched, and I'm thinking I'm going to put flowers in this year. Something that looks pretty. I hard pruned this rose, and it is starting to bud back out. And yeah, been a lot of work, but this is where I've been working and putting all the mulch. It was just covered in weeds, like heavy-duty weeds. But yeah, I didn't do anything with it last year. And this year, it needed a lot of love and tender care. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I hope you enjoyed. Until the next video, bye.